The SECCERTS tool is a tool for making security certifications more transparent.
In short, security certification is very expensive, but it's also a source of interesting data. We can data mine this data and use it for many different purposes. What we are doing, if there is a vendor wanting to certify their product, let's say Cybernetica wanting to certify ShareMind, they need to create a bunch of documents and go to evaluation laboratory, and together they need to convince each other that the product is good and it's secure and it's doing what it claims to do. And after maybe year and a half, if you are unlucky 2 years, and spending hundreds of thousands of dollars, you will have a certified product. And depending on the scheme, usually it's either Common Criteria or it's in US FIPS 140 different cases. And these schemes are having some public-facing portal with a lot of interesting data. So we are accessing these portals, downloading these documents. So you can find there the certificate, of course, but also something called security target or security policy, containing the description what was actually certified, and a bunch of other metadata, depending on the scheme, depending on the product. And this is our input source. And then a tool called SECCERTS, which is open source. You can just download it and run it for yourself. Is used to basically data mine this data and do something interesting out of it. And first of all, we need to just process PDFs. Then we have some raw data we can start to work on. We have some basic analysis and visualizations and other things. That's one part. Second part is we do have SECCERTS.org webpage where some functionality is exposed. But we also have pretty elaborate Python API, Jupyter notebooks, and other things you can use to analyze the data as you wish. So we already did the hard part for you, extracting the data. Now you can just write your own analysis based on what you need. So we started with the products coming from the certification schemes, but we started to edit also additional metadata. So for example, very interesting database is, of course, NVD NVD vulnerability database, where the CVE vulnerability reports are stored in. So we can download them, we can match them to certified products, and then start doing analysis on top of that.